How to remove Google parental control. First things first is tap on your Play Store, go to your account, scroll down, go to settings, and then head over to family and click parental controls. Now, if your parental control is currently on, if you turn it off, you are required to enter your content pin. Once you enter your content pin, you press OK and then go back, go to your phone settings, scroll down and look for apps. Click on it and then go to manage apps and then you search for Play Store. Right. So what you need to do on this page is you just need to clear cache and clear data. And then once everything is set, that is how you remove your Google parental control.